Now today we will study diagonal elements of 2D matrix. This is 2D matrix, two-dimensional matrix which has rows and columns. Suppose we have m by n. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have this matrix. We can say 3 by 3. Now we have its index as this one is 0, 0, this one is 0, 1, this one 0, 2, then 1, 0, then 1, 1, then 1, 2, then 2, 0, 2, 1 and then 2, 2. If we want to print just diagonal element, as we can say this diagonal element, what we can see, these values are same, 0, 0, 0, 0, then 1, 1 and 2, 2. This is I, this is J, this is I, this is J, and this one is also I, and as well as this one is J. So we can write the condition for this I equals to J. Then print.
No.
Now we will write the program for the same. First, main int I comma j comma a 5 by 5 and that's all. Now printf enter row and column, scanf %d double quotes and m comma and n, m comma n. Then input array for I equals to 0, I less than m, I plus plus. For j equals to 0, j less than n, j plus plus. Then scanf %d and a I j. This statement is for enter, just printing, and this one is for input row as well as column. Now this one is for inputting the array. Now we have to write the loop for printing. Then for I equals to 0, I less than m, I plus plus. Next for j equals to 0, j less than n, j plus plus. Then condition, if I equals to j, printf %d a of I j. What it will print? It will print the elements, diagonal elements, where I equals to j. So as we can see this one it will print I and j are equal, I and j are equal, I and j are equal. So it will print this diagonal. Now this is for principal diagonal. Principal diagonal. Now if non-principal diagonal, non-principal is this one. What we have? 0, 2, 1 set, 1, 1, second one set, and 2, 0, third set. As we can say matrix is of 3 by 3 size. Then we can check, this is I, this is j, this is I, this is j, this is I, this is j. I plus j equals to m minus n or n minus n, n minus 1, m minus 1 or n minus 1. So what we will change in this program for non-principal diagonal? For now non-principal diagonal, what we will change? Just this condition we have to change. What we will write here? I plus j equals to m minus 1 or n minus 1. Then it will print the non-principal diagonal element. This is principal diagonal. This is principal and this one is non-principal diagonal. For principal diagonal, what we write the condition? I equals to j. And for non-principal diagonal, what is the condition? I plus j equals to m minus 1 or n minus 1. As we can check, 0 plus 2 that is 2, 1 plus 1 that is 2, 2 plus 0 that is 2, and that will be equal to 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1, or we can say 2. For this we can check principal diagonal is valid only for if rows and columns are equal. Next, if matrix is this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, we want to print its lower left triangle and upper right, lower left and upper right. What is the condition for this diagonal? I equals to j. As we can check, this is 0 0, this is 1 1 and this one is 2 2. What is the value for this 4? This is 1 0, this one is 2 0, this one is 2 1, this one is 0 1, this one is 0 2 and this one is 1 2. Now what is the condition for this? Where I is greater than j, we can write this. It will print the lower left triangle, and for upper right we can write I less than j. Then it will print upper right triangle. What will we will change here? For lower left triangle. Now lower left. Program is the same. We are changing only this if condition. What we will write here? I is greater than j. Then it will print lower left triangle. These values, these three values. Then for upper right. For lower left condition we will write here is if I greater than j. For upper right triangle, what we will write? I less than j. As we can check, I and j, first is index I and another one is j. This one is I, this one is j. I is 0 and j is 1. 0 is less than 1, condition satisfied. 0 is less than 2, condition satisfied. 1 is less than 2, condition satisfied. So for upper right triangle we will write I is less than j. Now another, we have this matrix 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This diagonal we will want to print these elements. This is what? Lower right triangle, and this one is upper left. For upper left and lower right. this, for this we have the condition what? I plus j equals to m minus 1. Now what is the value for this? 0 0. What is the value for this? 0 1 index, and this one is 1 0. What we can check? I plus j is less than m minus 1 for this upper left triangle. I plus j is less than m minus 1. This is the condition for upper left triangle. Now lower right triangle. I plus j is greater than m minus 1. As we can check, this is what? 1 2. This is 2 1 and this is 2 2. 1 plus 2, that is 3. 3 equals to what is m? M is total 3 by 3 matrix, then m is 3, then 3 minus 1, that is 2, then 1 plus 2, 3 is greater than 2, 3 is greater than 2, 4 is greater than 2. Then for lower right triangle, we will write the condition, or we can replace the condition with this for lower right. For upper left, we will replace this condition from this. Now we have 6 condition for printing diagonal element, non-principal diagonal element, upper left triangle, lower right triangle, and this one triangle and this one triangle. What is this? Lower left and upper right. All triangles we have condition for all the triangles. And if we want to sum the elements, diagonal elements sum, then what we will write? Just what is the change? I equals to j. Condition we knows, and what we will do? S equals to S plus A of ij. Initially we have S also, and S equals to 0 here we will mention. Then 0 plus Aij, first element sum, then next it, and then out of the loop we will print S. Printf %d S. This is the sum of diagonal elements, principal diagonal elements. For non-principal, we will change the condition just I plus j equals to what we will write? If I plus j equals to m minus 1, then S equals to S plus Aij. And what print for out of the loop? For loop I equals to 0, I less than m, I plus plus, and then another for loop j equals to 0, j less than n, j plus plus. Condition is if I plus j equals to m minus 1, then non-principal diagonal element sum it will print. And for it will print this one, and for this what it will print? It will print sum of this diagonal elements values. 1 2 3 we have 4 5 6. It will print 4 5 6 sum, and it will print 1 2 3 sum of 1 2 3. Thank you.